Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you do you need an X account or Twitter account to use Grok? The short answer is no, you don't need one. As you can see, I'm logged out and I don't have any account logged in at the moment. Then let's try to see if we can use Grok. So let's ask this or ask Grok about anything. Let's see. How is the weather in Finland? Let's try to see if it works. Okay, good, perfect. Without an account, it was able to provide me with accurate data. So as you can see, it's there, all right? It's very clear that you guys, again, don't need an X account to use Grok. But it would be better and more features are going to be available if you have an account that's logged in to use. For example, you could use your Twitter account, Google account, or Apple ID. And we're done. Thank you for watching the video.